Hello friends, welcome to the session of Qualitative India. Friends, in this session we are going to learn about difference between two critical types of maintenance, which is time-based maintenance and condition-based maintenance. So let's explore these two critical types of maintenance. And first of all, we are going to understand why this time-based maintenance and condition-based maintenance both are required to be used in different circumstances. So talking about the time-based maintenance, so as the name is suggesting, time-based maintenance. So here we are going to do the maintenance based on time, not based on the condition of the machine or the equipment or the asset. Rather than saying the machine or equipment, we should be talking about assets, because when we talk about assets, it's a broader term and it includes machinery, equipment, other infrastructure also. So talking about time-based maintenance, it is basically based on time frame, which means that in a typical scenario we do preventive maintenance, which is scheduled at certain intervals. Let's say for some equipment it is scheduled at every month or every quarter or a fortnightly basis or on a weekly basis. So these are basically based on some time frame and doesn't take into account what exactly is the condition or the situation of various parts and other things in the machinery or the equipment. Rather than that, it only focuses on certain time frame, and most of the organizations are comfortable in doing time-based maintenance because condition-based maintenance requires some expertise, which we are going to explore later on. So when we talk about time-based maintenance, this might be done on right time, but most of the cases this is not like that. So in most of the cases this might be done very early or it might be done too late, which means that we are not assessing the condition of the equipment, whether it is performing properly or not. Irrespective of that, we are focusing on some time frame. Okay. So for an example, there are certain feature of the machine which is not functioning well, and that might needs to be verified on a weekly basis. But since the preventive maintenance schedule or the time-based maintenance talks about maintaining or verifying at every quarter, so what exactly is happening? We are not checking those particular feature which requires immediate attention on a maybe weekly basis. So time-based maintenance might be done too early for some equipment and might be done too late also for some of the equipments. Okay. But when we talk about condition-based maintenance, we are actually monitoring the condition of the machinery, equipments or assets, and based on the condition only, based on the requirement, we are only doing the maintenance. If the condition does not require any maintenance, we will not be doing any maintenance. Okay. So it is just right kind of maintenance. As far as time-based maintenance is concerned, this is very convenient way, but this might be done too early or too late.